So today I'm back in Hanover. I'm starting at yesteryear and then I'm going to go to Black Rose. Full disclosure, it's Saturday, so I'm not sure how this is going to go. It looks pretty crowded, but let's go see what we can find. Well, the first thing I see is this Edward Mobley squeak toy tiger. It's definitely a harder one to find. $25 is a little too high for resale, but I'm pretty sure there will be a collector that will be excited to see this. It looks like it still squeaks too. Okay, so I'm kind of obsessed with this vintage Frozen Pop set. I love this woman. I know her. She's really fun and she's got really unique stuff. I like that it's in the original packaging. I'm not sure what kind of resale value it is, other than the fact that it's adorable and the box looks pristine. But for $6.40, I might circle back for that. I really like the little pixie angels there. These ones, though, these ones are really cool. I think these ones are made in Germany. They have like a super unique face. And there's all kinds of cutesy ornaments over here. I love the little snowman made of yarn. What is that mermaid one? That's kind of interesting. I might actually, I'm gonna reach in here. That's different. I wonder, this is definitely newer, but it's unique. I'm not sure if it's like it looks handmade. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up. I know I normally don't buy newer stuff, but the price is right and it's really unique. I love its hair. I kind of wish my hair looked like that. I forgot where I was. Oh yeah, I was looking at the mermaid. I picked that up. Now, I love this little angel with the pine cones. What does this say? As found. It's definitely been modified. Yeah, it's so cute though.
My grandma did that.
Really?
Yeah.
Aw, that's sweet. I think it adds character. Yeah.
Is it cheap or not?
Yeah, it is. So it's $7 and 30% off. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this sweet little angel to my pile. Oh look, there's one of those napkin ladies. I just sold one of those in my live sale. Purple cows. Oh, look at this funny guy on the skis. How cute. I love those. I think they're so fun. I haven't had much luck with them. That's definitely a really, really good price though. Oh, so I am a huge sucker for lenticular eyes. I'm sorry, I'm reaching my hand in here. And I am obsessed with anything lenticular eyes and this kind of pearlized glaze, which is harder to find, I feel like, and normally the paint's all worn off. So for $10 and 30% off, I'm definitely going to pick this guy up. I don't find this version too often, especially not in this great condition, so I'm pretty excited about this one. I see Christmas owls. Japan, too. $9. I have never seen Christmas owls. I feel like owls usually sell pretty well, and it's about to be Christmas, so you kind of can't go wrong with those. I'm gonna go ahead and grab these. Oh, look, a Bathing Beauty. What's that got? $20. That's a really good price too. All right, it's kind of crowded. I'm gonna get out of these people's way soon, but first I need to know what this jar is. That is very unusual. It says unusual on the box, and I agree with them that it is extremely unusual. I'm actually gonna go ahead and pull this out. Let's see. I'm gonna check this out further. I've never seen this one. It looks like perhaps Napco? Devar. Interesting. That is unusual, isn't it?
Absolutely.
I think this is pretty neat. It's not exactly my style, but the condition is curious. Very cool. Oh, and I'm not a big gogo person, but this piece, I love the heart. Man, and it's in like immaculate condition too. Is this a kangaroo? Well, that's kind of fun. You know, I used to pick this style up a lot, and it's kind of been a tough sell for me. The fact that it's only $3 and it's pink and it's a kangaroo kind of makes me want to get it. But I'm a little hesitant just because of my previous experiences. All right, gotta check out the salt and pepper shaker situation. The ones that kind of stand out to me the most are these. Those are kind of neat. Different. We like different. If they were a little bit cleaner, not cleaner as in like dirty, but the paint that is, I'd probably pick them up even though they're decent. I've just been kind of slow with a lot of my salt and pepper shaker sets recently, so I'm gonna be cautious on which ones I pick up. This is a kind of fun sugar bowl, like the heart design. This kind of caught my attention. I mean, it's a Christmas cat. Otajiri. Looks like a probably 80s piece. Let's see, it's only $7. It seems really cheap. It's kind of fun. I kind of like this vase too. What is this? Hand blown by rainbow. $15. That seems really inexpensive. And then 30%. It's only $10.50. I feel like it would be inexcusable not to pick this up. I love the Amberina, and it's got its original sticker. I think I am gonna go ahead and throw this in my basket. Look at all these fun glasses. I love the daisy print. It seems really well priced too. I can never keep up with the exact patterns of all the flowers. Look at these cute little snowmen. Just styrofoam. That one's got a little chunk missing out of it. Oh, adorable. I love snowmen. They were my mom's favorite too. What is this? Oh, it's soaps. Interesting. This booth has such cutesy displays. I feel like I'm always gonna miss something. Oh, look at this little beaded purse. That's kind of fun. I like those roosters too. 22 for the pair. It's not a bad price. Oh, and on sale. It's a little too close for me to do a happy resale with. I don't think they'll actually sell for that much. Although I've never seen them in that shade before. Oh, what are these little cuties down here? Wow. These are kind of hard to find too. Oh my gosh, look at the face on this Santa blow mold. I love him. Got a bunch of pumpkin stuff over here. Like the pumpkin planter. Oh, it's a hobbyist one. That one got me last time too. It's a really well done one. It almost looks like one of the Japan versions. Are these ghosts? Oh, I thought they were salt and pepper shakers. And this is a great set too. I believe it's Brins. 22. That's about retail on that. Oh, I love it. I love it. Man, these are like some of my favorite deer. I think they're so sweet. This one's in like perfect condition. 28 is about what I'd get for this after fees. Even with the discount, I usually sell these for about 34. I'm kind of tempted to. I've never seen this exact pose, and it's in like pristine condition. Let me think for a second. So it looks like I'd make just a little over $5 and some change on it, which isn't bad considering I think it would go pretty quickly, but I'm not too jazzed about spending that much up front. I'm kind of a cheapskate, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, little Napco reindeer salt and pepper shakers. 24. That's about what those sell for, although I will say these are in like amazing condition. Okay, I'm not the biggest Fenton person, but the heart coin dot print, I cannot resist. That is so pretty. I've never seen that exact piece either. I feel like the heart coin dot's kind of hard to find. Ooh, look at this nesting doll set. That is really pretty. I know this is new, but I love the hula girl. mushroom jar. It's kind of an awkward size. Huh. 20 bucks. I'm gonna leave that one. I'm not a big fan of that size. It's a little awkward. I usually knock this bisque material. This one's definitely newer than I'd like. Looks like 80s. It's only $1. Oh my gosh. I feel bad not getting this, but it's bisque and newer. I'm gonna hold out and stay true to my aesthetic. I know it's a cute, kitschy little deer, but it's not exactly what I'm looking for. What's the situation up here? Valentine's Day angel. 25. That's a really good price too. I feel like I would make, let me think about how much I would make. I would make like $4 off that actually. So I'm gonna leave that. That's well priced for a collector though. I like that little Santa back there. Oh my gosh, look at these reproduction elves. They have almost the exact same face as the Relco. Wait, are they reproduced? This is so weird. Are they just modified? Or are they reproduction? That is so strange. No, they must. This is a stumper. Very strange. I think I'm gonna sit here and think about this for a minute. This is stumping me. It's not easy to stump me, but. So the eyes have been repainted. I mean, but the glaze on the bottom is right. That's what's so strange about it. Huh. I think I'm just gonna sit on the ground and think about this for a minute. It's kind of bothering me, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so I think I've come to my final conclusion. These are original and they've been repainted in some spots and modified. Yeah, that's my final conclusion. Now it's $24 for the pair. I think. I'm not sure if I want to get these or not. I feel weird leaving them behind for this price. They're very modified, which is kind of cool. But they're so unique. I feel cheap leaving them, I think. Having a moment. This is a tough one. Yeah, just if there was any confusion, you can see underneath. These are the original and have been modified. That is exactly how the original was. So for $24 each, I mean, I'm gonna be honest, when these aren't modified, I sell them for like anywhere from $45 to $65 a piece usually. Sometimes more if they're a more unique version. I'm being a cheapo. I should just throw these in the basket, shouldn't I? And then here's another one of the Christ piggy banks. $30. I picked up one of these the other day at Penmar. What? Dude, we need a case. Okay, hold on. Wait, let me read what it says before I get too excited. Norcrest blue birds on branch, one tiny nick on tail. Well, still, hold on. Let me see what my last one of those sold for. So I am gonna go ahead and ask for a key and investigate this one further. I wanna see exactly how big that nick is for that price, because that's really fair. Well, I am pleasantly surprised that little guy is the nick, which is barely visible. So for, what is it, $32.50, I'm gonna throw this in my pile for sure. Actually, I'm not gonna throw it. I'm gonna delicately place this in my pile. I hope no one's too upset, but I did end up putting the elves back. I was kind of going back and forth. I wasn't sure how I felt about the modifications, but I figured I've already done almost a complete aisle since, and I'm still troubled by it. So chances are it's time to put them back. A lot of great Christmas shakers in here. The one that stuck out to me really though was that Mrs. Claus with the lantern back there. She's definitely from a harder to find set. Unfortunately, she is missing Mr. Claus. Ooh, I'm not gonna lie, kind of into this leopard. $15. That's really fair. It's kind of hard to find these. I've had them a couple times. Well, first and foremost, I see Bozo. This is a costume. Yeah, it's from an old Halloween costume. Gosh, it's only $1 too. That's wild. Even though it's got a tear in it, it's could still be repurposed somehow, I'm sure. Oh, the vendor just told me she put out a couple more of these Polish dolls. I think these are spectacular. That one's got a little damage on the top of the head and the nose. What about this one? Oh. She looks like she's in pretty good condition. How much is she? $15 and then 30%. She's kind of a grand size too. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick her up. I think these are absolutely adorable, and it's kind of hard to find them in the face with the faces in that good condition. Now I'm about to check out, but before, just could not stop thinking about this little Frozen Pop set. I am gonna go ahead and get a key and take a better look at that. So I ended up spending $71 in there, which was a great deal, and it looks like I got out just in the nick of time. Everybody was kind of scattered about the register trying to check out right before I scooted out. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep going. Now I'm gonna go down the street to Black Rose.